YouTube, today is the day, baby. You know, we got the McGriddle going on today. We got the the cat wasn't on all the way. No. Dang. Look at that. Dang. Anyway, bruh. Today is the Anyways, man. Today is the special day of the Muffler delete, man. You know what I'm saying? For the Dodge Charger, baby. Muffler delete for the Dodge Charger. I still didn't really do no modifications to it at all yet. Still don't even have the tag for it. They do no modifications for this car yet. But today, we're gonna fix that. Right now, it is about 9 o'clock in the morning. About 9:30. And you know, we're finna get this Muffler delete going today, baby. And we're gonna give you a quick little cold start so y'all can see what it sounds like. 2 clicks. And that is what the cold start sounds like in 55-degree weather on a 2015 Dodge Charger SE. Y'all stay tuned. Please stay tuned for the taillight tint video, baby. It already came in. We got the honeycomb tints for the taillights, and then we got the custom LED beam light, and we got a custom king light that goes on the bottom, man. Y'all stay tuned for that video. Dropping in a couple days, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and stay tuned for this journey, baby. I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get to this Muffler delete. When we get to this Muffler shot, I'm gonna hit y'all up, man. Stay tuned.
Roll a G, smoking dope, can't go to sleep. It's about 4.
He took the caps off, the mid mufflers, and the resonators, man. There go my old mid muffler. Yes, sir. And we just gonna straight pipe it. Just straight pipe right there, coming out through the back. It's gonna get quieter. Yeah, it's gonna get way quieter because the rear resonator's still on. So, yeah. Y'all stay tuned. Man, before we get to this after Muffler delete, man, y'all make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, make sure y'all watch that video right there, man. Make sure y'all watch that video right there, bro. Please watch it. I don't even know what I'm gonna put up there, but watch that video, bro. I put the card right there. Just watch it, bro. Just watch it, man. Just tap on it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, man, I know y'all want to hear that Muffler, so I'm gonna show you that Muffler. This is what she sounds like in the cabin. You know what I'm saying? Put her in drive, take her off the lot. Shout out to All Around Mufflers, Jacksonville, Florida. If y'all in Jacksonville, here we go. Y'all hear that? Yes, sir. Roll the windows up. Cause I just got the straight pipe in the middle, so that I only got the straight pipe in the middle, so that the inside won't be so freaking loud. So I won't have to hear that engine on the inside. But it's a V6, so if I did get a full straight pipe, I probably wouldn't even hear the exhaust in the cabin anyway. But as you can see, you can't really watch it. can't really hear it. You hear it kind of buzzing, but you know, it's straight. You know what I'm saying? If you want to hear your engine, you can hear your engine, and it's not too loud. But it's V6. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 0 to 40 real quick. They like that. You know what I'm saying? Y'all heard that muffler a little bit. Something slight. Little tight skirt. You know what I'm saying? Little tight skirt. Little tight low. But it's all good, baby. Because, you know, we taking off. And that, man, muffler sounding, you know, it sounds straight. Ain't gonna... I don't even know if y'all can hear that. Let's see what it sounds like with the windows up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna break it. Actually, we're gonna take it in manual mode. We're gonna put her in manual mode. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put her in manual mode. And then we're gonna drop her down. We're gonna drop her down in gear. You know what I'm saying? Boom. Hit that bit. And 5, 4, 3. There you go, baby.